It's interesting to me because people only want gimmicks and shortcuts. Nobody really wants to know the basics of fat loss. Losing fat is simple, and these are the steps. Number 1, estimate your maintenance calories. Number 2, create a caloric deficit. Number 3, distribute these calories among protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Protein can take 20 to 30%, fats can take 20 to 30%, then carbohydrates can take 40 to 50%. Step number 4, make good food choices depending on your goal. For weight loss, go for nutrient-dense foods. For weight gain, go for caloric-dense foods. Number 5, work out with heavy weights. Not cardio, not dancing, not jumping, not Zumba, no, heavy weights. If you do these 5 steps consistently, you're going to lose fat and maintain or grow muscle. I have not said anything about supplements. I have not said anything about intermittent fasting. I have not said anything about low-carb diet. I have not said anything about carnivore diet or ketogenic diet. Those things do not matter. None of these gimmicks matter. Stop looking for shortcuts. The truth is, the basics are the only things you need to do to see results. The problem is, basics are boring and people want to do interesting things. And those interesting things will never work without the basics.